Today, we're diving into 20 mind-blowing DIY electronic gadgets from Kickstarter. Each gadget is designed for hands-on creativity and tech fun. Whether you're a maker, a tinkerer, or just someone who loves the future, this list is packed with creativity, innovation, and gadgets you'll wish you had yesterday. Let's dive into the coolest maker-friendly projects out there. All these gadget links are in the description below. Number 20. iKoffy EdiBot AI Food Printer. iKoffy EdiBot AI Portable Full-Color Food Printer, a revolutionary gadget designed to bring creativity and customization to your kitchen or business. This compact yet high-performance printer uses advanced AI technology to print detailed full-color images directly onto edible surfaces like cookies, macarons, cakes, marshmallows, coffee foam, and even bread. Whether you're a home baker, cafe owner, event planner, or just someone who loves to impress guests, the EdiBot makes it easy to turn ordinary food into eye-catching masterpieces. With its user-friendly interface and wireless app control, you can easily upload custom designs, photos, logos, or text and watch them come to life on your treats in seconds. No professional design skills are needed, just a few taps on your phone or tablet. Lightweight and portable. Number 19. YUMI 3D Printer. The YUMI 3D printer is a compact high-performance machine designed to make 3D printing accessible, fun and efficient for users of all experience levels. Whether you're a beginner just stepping into the world of 3D design or a creative enthusiast looking to bring your ideas to life, YUMI offers the perfect balance of simplicity, precision and portability. Equipped with intuitive controls and a hassle-free setup, this printer makes it easy to start creating right out of the box. It delivers smooth high-resolution prints with consistent results. Its quiet operation ensures minimal disruption, making it ideal for use in homes, classrooms, or small studios. Designed with a sleek, lightweight body, the YUMI 3D printer is easy to move and store yet powerful enough to handle intricate prints. This printer is your reliable partner in turning imagination into reality. Number 18. GamePad Quest Kit. The GamePad Quest is more than just a gadget. It's a fun hands-on learning experience that combines creativity, technology, and nostalgia. This DIY portable video game electronics kit allows you to build your very own handheld gaming console from the ground up. Inside the box, you'll find all the essential components, including a screen, buttons, circuit board, rechargeable battery, and step-by-step instructions to help you assemble your device with ease even if you're a beginner. Once built, you can play a selection of built-in retro-style games or take it a step further and code. Portable, rechargeable and endlessly customizable GamePad Quest is not just a toy, it's a full-on introduction to the world of digital creativity, coding, and electronics. Whether you're a hobbyist, a student, or a future game developer, this kit is the perfect starting point. Number 17. Puribar. The Puribar is a smart portable sterilization device designed to keep your everyday items clean and germ-free with ease. Equipped with 3 powerful light modes, it offers customizable sterilization for different needs, whether you're sanitizing your phone, keys, baby products, or utensils. Using advanced UVC technology, the Puribar effectively eliminates up to 99.9% of harmful bacteria and viruses without the need for harsh chemicals or liquids. Its compact design makes it easy to carry in your bag. Each mode is designed for different levels of exposure and materials, ensuring safe sterilization without damaging sensitive items. Number 16. SensorNode. SensorNode is the ultimate DIY sensor kit for anyone looking to enhance their smart home setup with Home Assistant. This versatile kit empowers you to build and customize your own network of sensors, from monitoring temperature, humidity, and motion to detecting door or window activity and environmental changes. SensorNode offers a flexible and scalable platform to suit your needs. With easy-to-follow instructions and plug-and-play components, you can start building in minutes, no advanced coding required. Designed to work seamlessly with Home Assistant, SensorNode provides real-time data, automations, and notifications to help you create a smarter, more responsive living space. Ideal for hobbyists, makers, and smart home pros alike, SensorNode gives you full creative control and the satisfaction of building something functional and innovative with your own hands. Number 15. Laser Engraver and Cutter. Unlock the next level of precision with the Core HK15, a professional-grade 1064 nanometers infrared laser engraver and cutter built for creators, makers, engineers, and small businesses. Powered by a high-speed galvanometer scanning system, this machine offers incredible engraving speeds while maintaining fine high-resolution output. Its intuitive software interface makes it easy for both beginners and experienced users to operate, while its compact and durable build ensures it fits neatly into your workspace. Number 14. Geonix Rev 2. Take your typing and gaming experience to the next level with the Geonix Rev 2, a perfect blend of performance, durability, and style. Whether you're a serious gamer, a coding enthusiast, or someone who just loves the satisfying feel of mechanical keys, this keyboard is built to impress. The Rev 2 features responsive mechanical switches that provide a satisfying tactile click with every keystroke, making typing faster and more accurate. Its solid build quality gives it a premium feel while the sleek, modern design looks great on any desk setup. Equipped with full key rollover and anti-ghosting, you'll never miss a move even during fast-paced gaming or multitasking moments. The ergonomic layout and smooth key travel reduce strain during long typing or gaming sessions. Plus, the detachable USB cable makes it super easy to pack up and take with you wherever you go. Number 13. UMIK Smart Lock. Experience next-level home security with the UMIK Smart Lock, a perfect blend of innovation, style, and simplicity. Engineered for modern lifestyles, this advanced smart lock offers 6 versatile unlocking options: fingerprint recognition, smartphone app control, passcode entry, RFID card access, mechanical key, and voice control through Alexa or Google Assistant. Crafted with a sleek and minimalistic design, UMIK enhances the look of any door while delivering top-tier protection. The high-grade materials ensure long-lasting durability and resistance to tampering, making it ideal for families, renters, Airbnb hosts, and small businesses. Installation is quick and hassle-free, just 15 minutes with a screwdriver, no wiring or drilling required. Number 12. MantaPower. MantaPower is your all-in-one solution for hassle-free, high-speed charging built for the fast-paced tech-powered lifestyle. Engineered with cutting-edge fast charge technology, it delivers lightning-quick power to your devices. The powerful magnetic hold ensures a firm and reliable connection, locking onto your device with precision to prevent accidental disconnects even while you're moving. Its ultra-lightweight, travel-friendly design. Slim, sleek and minimal, it slips easily into your pocket, backpack, or tech pouch without adding bulk. Whether you're working remotely, traveling, commuting or gaming on the go. Number 11. Super Tiny RP2040 ESP32 Display Development Board. The Super Tiny Display Development Board is a miniature powerhouse built for makers who crave performance, flexibility, and portability. Whether you choose the RP2040 version powered by Raspberry Pi's dual-core ARM Cortex-M0 Plus processor or the ESP32 variant with built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, you're getting a compact yet highly capable board ideal for modern electronics projects. Despite its thumb-sized footprint, it features full access to GPIO pins, USB connectivity, and onboard storage support, making it a go-to solution for wearables, IoT devices, interactive displays, and smart tools. Its tiny size makes it perfect for embedding into tight spaces, while its powerful processing and connectivity options open up endless possibilities, from custom keyboards and controllers to portable meters, sensor hubs, and more. Number 10. LightTrack Pro. LightTrack Pro is not just a light, it's your personal lighting assistant that follows you wherever you go. Designed with intelligent motion tracking technology, this innovative lighting system automatically detects your movements and adjusts its position to keep you perfectly illuminated at all times. LightTrack Pro ensures consistent flattering lighting without the need for manual adjustments. Featuring 360 degrees tracking, adjustable brightness, and customizable color temperatures, it adapts to your environment and needs day or night. LightTrack Pro keeps the light on you so you can focus on what matters most. Number 9. LINGO GENIE L2. Say goodbye to language barriers and hello to seamless communication with the LINGO GENIE L2, your intelligent travel and conversation companion. This compact yet powerful device features dual mic noise cancellation, fast voice recognition, and high accuracy output, making conversations smooth even in loud or crowded environments. Designed with portability and ease of use in mind, the LINGO GENIE L2 fits in your pocket and offers a bright, responsive touchscreen for quick navigation. Number 8. Halo Smokerkit. Elevate your culinary and mixology game with the Halo Smokerkit, a sleek fusion of technology and style that brings the magic of smoke infusion right to your kitchen or bar. Designed for food lovers, cocktail creatives and home entertainers, this smart and compact device lets you effortlessly infuse meats, cheeses, cocktails, and even desserts. With its intuitive controls and advanced safety features, the Halo Smokerkit is as safe as it is stunning. Its sleek, modern aesthetic fits seamlessly into any space, while the powerful aroma chamber ensures a consistent, controlled flow of cold smoke that enhances flavor without overpowering it. Whether you're impressing guests with a smoked old-fashioned or adding a gourmet touch to your grilled favorites, this kit delivers a professional-grade experience with minimal effort. Easy to use, easy to clean, and endlessly versatile. Number 7. Pixeldarts. Step into a world of nostalgic fun with Pixeldarts, the ultimate retro-inspired electronic throwing game that combines vintage arcade vibes with modern interactive gameplay. Designed for players of all ages, Pixeldarts turns any room into a pixelated playground where quick reflexes and sharp aim lead to endless entertainment. Featuring colorful LED targets, dynamic sound effects, and a variety of game modes, Pixeldarts challenges your hand-eye coordination in the most thrilling way. Whether you're playing solo, competing with friends, or setting high scores in party mode, the game keeps the excitement alive with each satisfying hit. Its lightweight wall-mountable design makes it easy to set up anywhere, no need for complicated installations or large spaces. Number 6. Stamp. Take your electronics prototyping to the next level with Stamp, a set of modular breakout boards designed to simplify and speed up your development process. Whether you're a hobbyist, student, or professional engineer, Stamp offers a plug-and-play solution that eliminates the frustration of tangled wires and breadboard limitations. Each board in the Stamp system is thoughtfully crafted to work seamlessly with a wide range of sensors, microcontrollers, and components. Snap them together like building blocks to quickly test ideas, iterate designs, or build complete systems without soldering or complicated wiring. From lot projects to robotics and wearable tech, Stamp brings clarity and organization to your workspace. Compact, reusable, and incredibly versatile, Stamp empowers you to prototype smarter and faster. Number 5. NeoBlade Wireless Ultrasonic Cutter. Meet the future of precision cutting with NeoBlade, the wireless ultrasonic cutter engineered for modern creators, designers, and innovators. Powered by advanced ultrasonic vibration technology, NeoBlade slices through tough materials like plastic, acrylic, foam, fabric, leather, dental cast, and even PCB boards, all with unmatched smoothness, speed, and control. Designed with the evolved maker in mind, NeoBlade is completely cordless, giving you total freedom to move and work without being tethered to a bench. Its ergonomic grip, lightweight build, and low-noise operation. With 6 versatile blade types, ultrasonic cutting, 2 cutting modes, and more operating at high frequencies, the blade effortlessly glides through material, reducing friction, heat, and mess. NeoBlade transforms your workflow with clean cuts, silent precision, and ultimate convenience. Number 4. Decktok Foldlight V1. Redefine your outdoor lighting experience with Decktok Foldlight V1, the world's first foldable outdoor ambient light that brings style, versatility, and convenience to your patio, garden, campsite, or balcony. Designed for those who appreciate both aesthetics and functionality, Decktok Foldlight V1 offers a soft, diffused glow that instantly transforms any space into a cozy, inviting atmosphere. Its innovative foldable design makes it incredibly portable and easy to store, while the durable weather-resistant construction ensures reliable performance in any outdoor setting. With multiple lighting modes, USB rechargeable battery, and intuitive controls, this ambient light gives you complete control over the vibe. Number 3. iFramix Pro. Give your old devices a stylish second life with iFramix Pro, the ultimate smart frame that transforms unused tablets and smartphones into dynamic digital displays. Whether it's an aging iPad or an old Android phone gathering dust in a drawer, iFramix Pro lets you repurpose it into something beautiful and functional. Designed with both aesthetics and utility in mind, iFramix Pro blends seamlessly into any room from your home office to the living room or bedside table. No coding, no hassle, just plug in and install the companion app or preferred display tool and breathe fresh purpose into your old tech. Eco-friendly and customizable, iFramix Pro is the customizable. iFramix Pro is the clever, creative way to reduce e-waste and rediscover the potential of your retired devices. Number 2. GWEIKE Laser M Series. Unleash the full potential of your creative workspace with the GWEIKE M Series, a powerful 6-in-1 laser machine engineered for serious makers, crafters, and professionals. Combining 6 essential functions into one compact and intelligent system, this all-in-one powerhouse handles laser engraving, cutting, rotary work, color marking on metal, precision positioning, and air filtration, all with industrial-level accuracy and reliability. Whether you're working with wood, acrylic, leather, glass, stainless steel or anodized aluminum, the GWEIKE M series delivers crisp clean results every time. Its user-friendly interface, modular design and high-speed laser technology allow for seamless project switching, while the built-in safety features and air assist system keep your workspace safe and clean. It's a complete creative ecosystem that adapts to your workflow, elevates your craftsmanship and brings your ideas to life with unmatched precision. Number 1. Your daily dose of sunshine. Bring the brightness of a clear summer morning into your home with your daily dose of sunshine by Radiant Luminaire. This elegantly designed light therapy lamp is more than just a source of light, it's your daily boost of energy, focus, and emotional wellness. Engineered to simulate natural sunlight without harmful UV rays, it delivers 10,000 lux of brightness to help combat seasonal affective disorder, SAD, improve mood, and regulate your circadian rhythm. Perfect for dark mornings, long work hours, or gloomy weather, this compact yet powerful device easily fits on your desk, nightstand, or kitchen counter. And that's a wrap for today. We hope you enjoyed the video. Which one is your favorite? Comment below. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.